discuss about the inverse filter in the image restoration technique. That we have studied the image restoration process. Now, what is the image restoration process and what is the need of filtering in it? We will see. Suppose there is an image given by fxy in India, that is present in India, and we want to send this image at a distance in USA. Now it is the original image as shown here. For sending it at a distance, it will send either through a channel, it can be wired or wireless channel, and suppose the degradation occur during the channel is denoted by hxy. Now when this image is transferring, then we assume the noise signal is also present and it is denoted by nxy. Nxy is the noise here present, and this noise is also mixed in the signal. Now after mixing the noise, our signal will be gxy. Our image is gxy. That is the distorted image. We can see here it is a distorted image which we are getting. Now due to the degradation, due to the noise, the image is degraded. But the person who present here in the USA, he want to observe the actual image, that is like this. यहाँ पर हम actual image को obtain करना चाहेंगे. तो for getting this actual image, what we apply the some filter or restoration filter, so that we can get the image fxy again at the receiving end. Now although this receiving end image, after applying some process, some restoration technique, is not exactly equal to the original image, it can be little bit different. Exactly to achieve that image is not possible, so it is denoted many times by f cap xy. हम इसको f cap xy से भी डिनोट कर देते हैं, क्योंकि ये एग्जैक्ट, ये जो इमेज थी जो ट्रांसमिटिंग एंड पर, उससे लिटिल बिट ये डिफर हमारी इमेज हो सकती है. नाउ there can be several type of restoration filter to achieve the actual image. This complete process is called the restoration process, and the filter which we apply here can be inverse filter, Wiener filter, there can be several filter. So we are studying about the inverse filter. What is the inverse filter? Now it is the spatial domain, that is done all thing in the spatial domain. Now we take it in the frequency domain. We convert the, we take the Fourier transform of fxy. Suppose the Fourier transform of this original image that is shown here, जो यहाँ पर हमारी जो ओरिजिनल इमेज हमको दिखाई गई है, इसका जो फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म है ओरिजिनल इमेज का, that is like this image, and that is denoted by symbol FUV. Now again it is passing through the channel, and the Fourier transform of the HXY degradation is denoted by HUV. Fourier transformation of this noise signal is denoted by NUV. Fourier transform of this degraded image, that is denoted by GXY, is given by, that is the degraded image, that is denoted by GUV. So we can write in the equation form that degraded image GUV will be equal to the multiplication of FUV and HUV plus noise signal NUV. In case of the spatial domain, we take the convolution of HXY and FXY. In frequency domain, we do the multiplication. Now, what will be the value of FUV? Ultimately, we are interested to find out the FUV. So that is shown here कि FUV can be achieved with the help of the GUV अपॉन HUV. इसी तरह से जो हमने यहाँ पर जो हमारा नॉइज का फैक्टर था, that will be transferred here in the left hand side, and it will also be divided by HUV. इसको भी हमने यहाँ पर HUV से डिवाइड कर दिया. तो that is the मॉडल ऑफ द इनवर्स फिल्टर. ये हमारे इनवर्स फिल्टर का मॉडल है दैट विल अप्लाई टू अचीव दिस ओरिजिनल इमेज. हियर व्हाट वी हैव द डिग्रेडेड इमेज GUV. ये ऑलरेडी हमको पता है डिग्रेडेड इमेज हमारी क्या है. वी ऑल्सो एस्टिमेट the HUV, that is the degraded function, that can be achieved with several methods like direct observation, experimentation, and mathematical operations, mathematical modeling. We can achieve the degradation function. Now if GUV and HUV are known, but NUV, that is the noise factor, we are not familiar about it because this noise is random in nature. And how we can remove it? Actually, if we take it in discrete form, then HUV will be in the matrix form. ये हमारा HUV मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में होगा. सपोज द मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में जो हमारे इसके पैरामीटर्स हैं दैट आर लाइक 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 7, इस तरह के हमारे पैरामीटर्स हैं. बट अगर ये हमारे ज्यादा हैं HUV के पैरामीटर, तब तो ये हमारा कम हो जाएगा इसका इफेक्ट. बट इफ दीज आर लेसर, इट इज लाइक 0, 1, 1 and 2, 0, 1, then definitely the this factor will be much effective. ये हमारा फैक्टर काफी ज्यादा होगा. तो we cannot achieve the original image. So in the inverse filter, because we are not able to estimate the actual disturbance or noise, so that is not considered. So we consider that noise factor nuv is 0. If the nuv or noise is taken 0, then definitely our filter will be, inverse filter will be f uv is equal to, that is the guv, that is the guv upon huv. तो ये हमारा फिल्टर यहाँ पर हो जाएगा. इस फिल्टर की हेल्प से वी कैन अचीव द इमेज. So the limitation of the inverse filter is that not remove the noise, so not use where noise signal is much more. So we use the Wiener filter that we will discuss in next lecture to remove, to consider this noise factor, by which we can reduce it. If not able to complete remove it, then we can reduce it. In this way we have seen that what is the our restoration process, and how the inverse filter is designed for the restoration process. Okay, thank you very much.